Hey gang, I'm Professor Feeser. Before you begin your coding studies, specifically of the Python programming language, I want to make a few remarks to ensure your success. The lessons we're about to embark on together are based on the Programming 101 syllabus from the University of Rochester, U of R, as well as the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. By the time you finish this series, you will have an identical skill set to students completing the first semester of programming studies at either of these major universities. Now, increasingly, colleges and employers want to see proof that you're certified in a particular skill set. So the last video in this series is going to provide you with a pathway to certify your new skills. Ultimately, you register for a short exam where the reward for passing is a certificate of completion and a LinkedIn badge. The attempt to do so costs about the same as a cup of coffee. And if you do the work in this series, I can almost guarantee you're going to pass. Now, in order to succeed in the videos moving forward, you're going to need an account on GitHub. Here we are on GitHub. GitHub's an industry standard tool. It allows you to save code in places called repositories, which may be private or public facing. I'm going to encourage you to make all your repositories public so that you're actively building a way to showcase your coding skill set. GitHub's free. Just by clicking one of the sign up buttons and confirming via the email they sent you, you can begin using it. Additionally, GitHub will let us execute the Python skills we're writing, so there really is nothing to install locally and really no cost to you. If you have any questions moving forward, let's use the comment section to post those questions. I promise to always do my best to, as quickly as possible, follow up with clarity. Hit like, hit subscribe on the Code with Feeser channel, make a GitHub account, and I'll see you in the first lesson.